3,000 people lose fingers to circular saws every single year. Inspect your saw completely before you even think about turning it on. Feel the blade spin up and respect every single rotation it makes. Both hands locked on the handles, no shortcuts, no exceptions, ever. Line your blade up perfectly with the mark before you cut anything. Lower the spinning blade slowly and let the saw do all the work. Push forward steadily and never force the saw through the wood. Watch the sawdust explode outward and keep your face completely protected always. Focus on the blade teeth and maintain your line with total precision. Guide the saw gently toward the end and never rush the finish. Let the wood separate cleanly and hold your position until it does. Release the trigger fully and wait for the blade to completely stop.